Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Lily Amoy, back at you with another video. And today's video is going to be a baby room decoration for a friend of mine who's due to give birth in about 2 weeks. Or by the time you see this video, she may have already given birth. If you like this kind of thing, watch until the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is how the room looked before. And as you can see, it's definitely not baby ready. It was being used as storage, not only for baby items, but other items as well, and hadn't really been decorated in a long time. But one of the really good things about this room was the walls. The walls and the floor were both in really good condition. It's not really showing up well on my camera, but the walls were actually painted white. So let's get started. I roped in the new dad to be my assistant, and with his help we cleared out the room, completely emptied out the space, and then got started painting. I opted to keep most of the walls white. I went for an accent wall, and for that accent wall I used a blue from B&Q GoodHome range, and I believe the color was called Toulon. I think I'm saying that right. But anyway, I'll link all the stuff that I use where possible in the description box below. But the paint was £12 for a 2.5 litre, so it wasn't expensive. It's a really nice pale blue with a grey undertone. Really nice, and it ties in well with the kind of grey and white theme that's running throughout the room. And then added some white shells that I got from B&M, also not expensive. I just added some bits that my friend already had in her home to the shelf, with the exception of this cute little, I don't know if it's a hippo or elephant. No, that's not an elephant, but whatever it is, this cute little blue ornament from B&M. I think I paid £3 for that. So guys, you see, not everything have to be new. If you've got some bits already at home, try and see how that you can incorporate them in whatever design you choose to do. My friend wanted to include a specific wall art that featured a scripture from the book of Joshua, but the challenge was including that wall art in the design without making the room look too mature and making it still suitable for a baby. So we ended up using 2 different types of wall art in order to just soften that look and just to make the room feel a bit younger. But guys, when I tell you that wall art, putting up that wall art was no joke. Oh, it was the most challenging part of this whole thing. I've put up wall art before, but never letters. And I feel like when you're putting up like wall stickers and it's a picture, it's a lot easier to, to do, because if you make a mistake, like, no one noticed. Guys, I'm sweating. Like, this wall sticker has got me stressed out. Anyway, I think we're almost there. So we carry on. We're going to work. Okay. So far, so good. And a smooth transition. We're praying for a smooth transition. Okay. Come on. Come on, Joshua. Ah, damn you. just come up. No more.
Yes, we did it. We just need the apples here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
I appreciate it, sis. I can't.
Come down and look at your hard work. It looks...
Finally! So here's a quick reminder of what the room looked like before. And this is how the room looks now. I am so pleased, you guys, with how this room turned out. And Mummy and Daddy both loved it. So yay, my job is done. But no, it just shows how much you can transform a space without spending lots of money. And there's simple things that you can do yourself. To finish off, I added some grey curtains and a grey rug, both of which I got from eBay. The curtains were £19.99 and the rug was £30. I also changed the lampshade into this paper lampshade, which is only, I think, £2.50 from Wilkinson. But as I said, where possible, I'll link the stuff below. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think of this room and what your favorite item is. Oh, and by the way, little Joshua arrived safe and sound. Both Mummy and Baby are doing well.